4-bed. A 4-bed house and a cabin as well. So let's go inside. So the city view is really big, honestly, compared to other houses that we saw. This is the garage. Let me see if I can open it. We have our stuff in here already. Okay. Quite small, but functional. Very small. Our car barely fit in there. And this is the garden. They're building a pool here, which will be built later. Yeah, come, let's go inside. So this is the entrance way. And then when we come inside, there's the stairs here on this side which goes up. I will come inside. Okay. And then to the right is the sitting room. Sorry, I have 3 kids. So everywhere is already a bit messy, but not too bad. So this will be the sitting room. Nothing fancy at all, but it's a decent sized room. It's a decent sized room. Yeah, this is so basic. And then let's go upstairs before we go to the kitchen. So this is the upstairs. Not the biggest fan of the gray, but it will do for now. So this is the master bedroom. It's really big. Honestly, the house I think is 4 double bedroom, but this is the biggest, and it has an inbuilt toilet as well. It's quite small, but it's okay. It's not too bad. Yeah, basic. Basic still, but it's okay. Okay, and the wardrobe will be there to cover this up, so it will be a built-in wardrobe. And then this is the second room. It's a double bed, basic as well. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, and then the third room. Yeah, you want to show them around?
I have to show it around.
You want to show them around? Yeah.
And
So this is the third room. It's smaller. It's still double, but it's smaller. And this is the fourth room, isn't it, Aku?
yeah.
Yeah, this is the fourth room.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we having.
Okay, come, let's show them the toilet. Okay, so it actually has 3 toilets and 2 bathrooms.
Yeah.
So this, can we turn on this light? No. Okay, so this is the toilet. We told them to tile this, which they haven't, so we need to contact them about that. They need to sort that out, but yeah. So this is the second toilet.
This is the small room.
The third toilet is downstairs, which is just a toilet. So yeah, so that's it upstairs. Literally, that's it.
That's it. And
This is my favorite room. Yeah, the master bedroom, isn't it? It's the master bedroom. Yeah. So the next, let's go and show them. Why, Abu? Look at that. Abu just damaged all the bread. Wow. Okay. He also has a storage in here. A lot of our rubbish.
And
This is the
toilet.
third toilet. Basic still, but spacious. It's really quite alright.
And this is a kitchen.
Yeah, this is the kitchen.
And this is the oven.
This is the oven, isn't it? So the kitchen is quite nice. We just got this, so this will be the dining area. This will be the kitchen, the freezer, double freezer will be
And
here.
this is a table and the chair.
And this is the garden.
This
Quite spacious.
is outside. That's
Okay. This door goes to the laundry room. I'll show you from inside the laundry room. But yeah, they really try to make use of all the spaces, but it's quite spacious. I'm not complaining. It's calm. And this is the other side. Yeah. So it's really big. It's a big garden. The only issue is that it's a bit slope, but it's okay. So the last room is the laundry room, which I'll be muting because somebody's in there. Abu, come. So that's it. I am very happy. Hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Bye. Bye.